Real quick, guys, before this upload begins, the limited entry giveaway for the Mach 1 and the C8 is live, and this will be the last limited entry giveaway I ever do. Get in while you still can, and while we have spots available. We're about halfway sold out for each one. And remember, you're also helping out a great cause because we are donating $10K from each car to a charity for people that need our help. Couldn't be any easier to enter. Hit the link down below or type in on3supply.com. Takes you right here. Click on the poster you want, add to cart, and that's it. Link is down below. Thank you as always for your incredible support and good luck. Good morning, guys. Hope y'all are having a great day. This is going to be an epic one. It's time for Pocono Raceway. Now, like I always say, if you have a racing event early in the morning, load up your car the night before. Your future morning self will thank you, and that's what I do. So the ZR1 is loaded up and ready. The TRX is ready. Got some extra meth in the back, and this should be a really good one. Not only is it colder, like cooler than it has been, it's downright cold, about 40 degrees right now. So as long as we can hook okay, the car should be making insane power. That cool air is easy to cut through, and this is the one to go for that big mile per hour. Anyway, let's get to it, and I'll see y'all at Pocono Raceway. Well, here we are at Pocono. The line is pretty big already. Yeah, this is going to be the one to participate in because the speeds are going to be insane. And I saw the wind. If you look at the flags, it looks like we got a tailwind as well. So that should be a little extra help. Today is going to be awesome. But as always, big thank you to Race Motive. These guys are incredible. If you have not been to a Race Motive event, check them out. You're gonna want to be here because, well, I mean, look at that. Look at what's here. I am so pumped. So many freaking cars here. Beautiful 911 turbo. So many R8s and Huracans twin turboed. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll get the POV cam on the helmet. You guys liked that, I think, last time I was here. So I'll get that up. I'll get my other camera up on the roof, and we'll go out for the first run. All right, let me see here how it's looking. Bring the camera up. What about right there, I would say? So this is pretty much what I see when I'm driving right here. That's a pretty good angle. I can see it around the mount here. But yeah, I think that's solid. I don't know. I think we're going back to the pits, unfortunately.
We're going back to the pit.
Back to the pit?
Go back to the pit, thank you.
Just follow them?
Just follow them, I'll take you back around.
Thank you. Okay, well that sucks. All right, well we'll figure out what's going on and then we'll get back to it. Caught. Show us that glizzy. Show us that glizzy. Show us the, oh,
dude. I like the roll they got going on too.
Dude, that's a heater.
Slice of bread?
Yeah, just, oh, it's a slice of bread. Yeah, it's not even, oh, good.
That's good.
That's a heater. Okay, here we go, back at it, on the track now. Everything is cleaned up and we are ready for run number 1. God, it's exciting. It's a really good time. Again, if you have never come to one of these events, you gotta try it out. I mean, how often do you get to race on a real NASCAR track? Sorry, I'm hitting the camera on my other camera, but we are racing another LMR car Same build as mine, but my car might have a little extra sauce, so we'll see how it goes. But we do make about the same power, and we have a twin turbo R8 and a twin turbo Performante behind us. Cars are running fast today, that's for sure. So hopefully we see a new record for the ZR1. Normally when I race, you'll notice I have the window down, and that's because the view, the audio, and visual is way better with the window down. But we're going for the high mile per hour today, so we'll put the window up. The audio and video won't be as good, but the mile per hour should be a little better. And here we go. I'm ready. That felt real good. I got a little bit of a slower start, so I don't think that was a super high mile per hour, but that felt great. Sounds good. Car felt great though. I think that was maybe 170, maybe low 170s. We'll see. Yeah, oh wow, 173, okay. 173, a very easy 173. I don't know if I said this already, like coming around the back or not, but I gave him the hit. So that was not a very fast start at all. I can definitely start faster, and this could be it. This could be the 180. Neighbor Rich is here. There is Neighbor Rich. He's got his phone out. I just shot him a text, but he is here and we're ready. Hey buddy! Here we go. Come on, ZR1.
$179, oh no.
Woo! Felt good. Felt good. Come on, ZR1, come on. That felt good. No! No way! No way! 179! No way! 179.67? No way! What? No! No! That's so close! Oh my god, no way! No way! 179.67, no way! No way! Oh my god! No freaking way! No freaking way! I mean, that's essentially there, but I want to actually see the 180. I want to actually see 180 something. But if I don't hit it, I mean, that's close. 179.67. I'm so proud of this car though. Third mile straight there. You know, that feels really good, but dang it. Realistically, like, that is 180, and that's what I wanted to do. And I didn't honestly even think I would get that close. So I'm happy. But I would like to see 180.
is, boys. There it is.
Well, that's all she had. I'm not even gonna look. I'm not even gonna look at the phone. I'm gonna go back and see what she did, but the car is feeling great. And I think that was pretty good. Heck, I hit 179.64. So rounding up, that's 180 or 67. 179.67 I hit, which is 99% there, all right? So I hit it. I'm about to look. There it is, 180.89. Woo! And Rich coming in. There we go. Oh, I kind of felt like I had it on that one, but we did it. 180 for what I've been doing at this event. That's 180. That's solid. But it's not a confirmed, like, that might be a world record run for a LT5 blower ZR1. When you see me race people, we're never at 65. We're almost always way over. And I knew I would have to do that to get to see 180. But like mile per hour on the top end isn't really affected that much. You could start at 40 or 70 and your top end might go up, a mile per hour or two. So I had to give it a little bit at the beginning, but still 180. I mean, I feel very good about that. The car is faster than it has ever been by far. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
180, buddy.
Love that.
180's fast.
Beautiful.
No joke now.
Oh, you're winning now, man. She did good.
All right, well, let's go home.
All right. Hop it in.
Well, I'd be lying if I said I didn't feel pretty freaking incredible after today, that's for sure. It played out like the script of a movie, and you're gonna think I planned it, but I promise I did. I know it made like the perfect video, at least for me, but the whole time I said I would like to hit 180, and I did all these little things. I took the wing off, I got the lightweight wheels, I have a slightly more narrow front tire, I've got my tire pressure all set up, I put the thing back on, the supercharger cover back on, and all these little things I did. I have no air filter on. Like every little thing added up, and it was that close. When I said in the last upload, I talked about taking the wing off, and I said, well, I don't think the wing makes that big of a difference, but if it's a mile per hour or two, that could be the difference. And the fact that it turned out to be that, it literally turned out to be a mile per hour or two, and that's it, because it was very consistent. I ran 179.6 and then 180.8, but I mean within a mile per hour, and I literally don't think, that was everything the car had. The first run ran against the ZR1, another 1,000 wheel horsepower ZR1, and that's actually an LMR car, by the way. So same setup as mine, but mine has a few little touches here and there to make it a little extra spicy. That was a good run, and I kind of figured I would win, but you never know. You never know what somebody's got, so that was really cool. But when I raced him, I gave him the hit. I let him go first, and then I floored it. And it was a really easy 173. And I saw that and I thought, okay, 173, this might be doable. And to hit 179.6, and I was almost gonna give up. And then to hit 180.8 was incredible. It feels really good. That was the goal I set. And I didn't wanna say that I was trying to hit it because I didn't want to be disappointed, but that's what I was going for. And to hit, not only to hit it, it would have been one thing. It's almost better to do what I did because, if I went 183, well, that would have blown it out of the water, which I guess would have been cool. But, to hit 179 and then 180 and hit my goal, just hit it. That was really, really cool, really fun. And the car performed well, as always, ran without a single issue. I had a great time. Hope you guys did as well. That was really, really awesome. The last race at Pocono for the season, and it was a good one. My first time ever running 180 at that track. 180 miles per hour in a third mile, by the way. A little bit less than a third mile. Maybe you don't even realize this yet, but we are at a very big crossroads for the car because we are fully maxed out. I cannot make this car any faster on the current setup with that blower. I love the car the way it is, and it performs great. It's been reliable. It's been awesome all the time. Do I change it for next season? or leave it and build something else. I don't know. That's a really tough decision. I tried with the Viper, but I didn't like the Viper. I love this car. And maybe if I try to modify it more though, I won't like it. However, I think the platform, I love the C7 platform. I think it's a great platform. So that's really the big thing I got to think about. If I keep it the same, we can do races and have fun, but it will be the same. Like there's nothing more we can do. Or do I go maybe turbo, maybe Pro Charger? I mean, there's a few different places to go with it, but then it kind of loses the character of the car, in my opinion. So that's something I have to think about, and feel free to comment what you think or what you would do. But that's a tough one, and that's where we're at. This is stupid, but if you want to know my dream setup, it would be this. If the giveaways like kill it over the winter time, the dream setup would be to leave that car the way it is, and then twin turbo this, and this would be the ultimate freaking like high speed. I mean, these cars with that big V12 and the rev range, these things twin turboed top end are unbelievable. Like 60 to 130 in like 2 seconds, like 2.5 seconds at the most. Oh, the setups on these are ridiculous, but I can't afford that at all. And I could build a twin turbo R8 or Huracan on a budget kinda and be very fast, but you guys have all seen that many times before. I would like to do something at least sort of different. If anything ever changes and I could afford it, that's what I would do, because that thing would be so freaking insane. I mean, the setups that I've seen on these are mind-blowing. Anyway, back to the Corvette. Hope y'all enjoyed and had fun as well. If you did, give this upload a big thumbs up. Take care. Have a great night. I'll see you in the next one. Here at the end of the upload, don't forget October 30th, mark it on your calendar and be there, is our open house / K9 fundraiser / burnout, whatever, at InChain Designs at the warehouse, 1051 Hummel Avenue. Info will be down below and up on the screen. So hope to see you there. It's going to be epic. And yeah, hope you can make it.